It has been said that our children are our greatest natural resource, and that is something I firmly believe. That is why when I recently heard a startling statistic about the number of opioid-related hospitalizations involving children, I immediately realized that I need to expand upon my Narcan training and create a poisoning prevention program to address this issue. Right here at Island Park on April 23rd, I will be kicking off a new program with our local PTA to give parents, grandparents, guardians, and caregivers vital information on how to prevent children in their care from becoming victims to this deadly epidemic. We all know that the number of opioid-related deaths have been staggering here on Long Island. But did you know that it's also affecting our children? The number of opioid-related hospitalizations requiring pediatric intensive care at 31 major hospitals between 2004 and 2015 totaled 3,647. Poisonings from prescription medications are a major cause of death among children. Children are getting into unlocked medicine cabinets or finding pill bottles around their homes or even their friends' or babysitters' houses, and the result can often be deadly.
The National Center for Addiction and Substance Abuse just put out a report that was reported on in Health Day that in 2016, U.S. poison control centers had 30,250 reports of children under the age of 5 that were sickened due to prescription drugs and psychoactive substances such as marijuana, opioids like heroin, prescription drugs like Percocet, and sedation drugs like benzodiazepines like Ativan, Valium, those kind of drugs.
As you know, the children in our schools are in pre-kindergarten through 8th grade, ranging from 4 to 13 years of age. While we have not had experience of any specific incidents of young children gaining access to opioid drugs at home or through friends, we know that this is a serious problem.
Your house might be protected, but you don't know if your kids, the houses that they're going into, their friends' houses, if those houses are protected. So your kids might have access to some kind of drugs or even just cough syrup or something like that they might be tempted to try, maybe if their friends try to tempt them with it.
So I invite those in the Island Park community to join us at the next Island Park PTA meeting, 7 p.m. on April 23rd at the Lincoln Orange Middle School. To learn more. Not only will we be doing a Narcan presentation, but we'll also be addressing the ways that we can prevent child opioid poisoning. And I also invite other PTAs throughout the town of Hempstead to join in on this initiative, join forces with those in the Island Park community. Let's get the awareness out there, let's spread the word, and let's do our part here in the town of Hempstead to make sure that we can save the lives of our youth and our children to protect our future.